Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Will for Skill, and I'm your friend Rohit again with a short video today. So this video is all about the company which you are in. It's not the organization that I'm talking about, it's rather the the people with whom you spend the most time with and the type of people you spend the most time with. So that kind of company I'm talking about. And I would be just reading out some statements here, and then it would help you realize that how true these are. All right. So the first one is, spend 10 minutes with a housewife and you would understand how difficult the task can be. Spend 10 minutes with a drunkard and you would get to know that how easy the life is. Spend 10 minutes with sadhus and sannyasis and then you would feel like giving everything in charity. Spend 10 minutes with a political leader and you would feel like, why I have studied so much, I could have easily become a political leader. Spend 10 minutes with a life insurance agent and you would feel like you should die today. Sit for 10 minutes with a trader and you would feel like your earnings are too low, even if you're doing a business or a job. Sit with a scientist for 10 minutes and you would feel like that you don't know anything. You know so less. It's like enormity of your own ignorance. Sit with your teachers for 10 minutes and you would feel like becoming a student again. If you sit with farmers or the hard workers, like the labor category, you would feel like that so much less work you do and you get a decent pay compared to them, right? Spend 10 minutes with a soldier and you would feel like, what have you sacrificed for the country and for the well-being of people? You would feel like it's so insignificant compared to them. Spend 10 minutes with a very, very good friend of yours and you would feel like you are in a heaven. So with all these people, when we spend time, we would realize, when you spend time in the sense, you are with them, you are understanding what they are trying to say, and probably they are convincing you to do that. So in that matter, you are being influenced by them, isn't it? And your whole integrity, the way your personality works, may change for those 10 minutes because you just feel some extreme thoughts. As I said, when you sit with insurance agent and if he tells you about the term insurance, that if you would die before 85 years of age, your family would get and your wife would get like 2 crore rupees, and you would feel like, how can I die before 85 so that my family gets benefited? We get this extreme thoughts, isn't it? So he was able to convince you somewhere or influence you in a manner that you have changed the thought process, what you have never thought earlier, isn't it? So similarly with the trader, if you sit with trader, you would see that in minutes they can make probably 10,000, 1 lakh rupees. So you would feel like, if every minute, or if in a one day, if I get 1 lakh rupees every day, I would be rich. But you're just seeing the one side of it, isn't it? So we need to understand with whom we are spending the most time with. So similarly stands in our lives as well. When we spend maximum time with the people who are kind of influential in a good manner, is like inspirational to you, you would become like them. If you spend time with people who are more into addiction, who are more into getting the short term benefits, who are more into getting the quick results and pleasurable moments, you would like to just change your path in a direction which would just lead to your own failure. You must have heard about these things when you were, or when I was a kid. I can remember clearly that my parents used to say that, beta, iske saath mat rehna, iske saath mat rehna. This was their own judgment. I know we all were kids, but that is what basically the message was, that संगति का असर पड़ता है. तो अगर आप अच्छी संगत में रहेंगे तो आप अच्छे बनेंगे, अगर आप बुरी संगत में रहेंगे तो आप बुरे बनेंगे. But suppose you are having friends who discuss ideas, right, and not people, those are the people who you should be tagged along always, isn't it? And if there are a group of people who just discuss about people and gossip, I think that is where you are wasting your time, because you're just laughing out loud. That's all good, for a short term, it's all good. But you're not discussing ideas, you're not making worth of your time. So you should have fun, you should have party, that's all good. But we need to understand that when you think about your future, when you think about success, you need to tag yourself with people with whom you're gonna grow. All right, you just wanna increase the knowledge base, you would like to increase the exposure, you would like to improvise on your peace of mind. And this is something that I'm also trying to adapt in my regular life. I would like to be with people with whom I feel influenced in a positive manner, because now is the time when we understand what's good and bad, because we all have our own families and to look to, isn't it? So guys, this was the video all about your company matters. Please remember this, and please tell your kids as well. As they are growing up, they should understand this well enough that they should not only look for the short-term pleasure, short-term benefits, but also for long-term gains. And that's how we should have the teachings given to them, and that's how we should ensure that our next generation is also being taken care of by giving these advices. So guys, this was the end of our video, and I hope you got the message what I was trying to convey. Hope you have the good company in place already. If you're not, self-reflect on yourself and try to tag yourself with people who would push you on a positive front. Bye bye. We'll come with another video soon. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.